welcome to my channel, Keeley Dan. I'm here with another wonderful dance tutorial for you, all you beauts out there today. So we are still quarantining, so I'm delivering from my home to yours. A really fantastic track today. I have taught this routine in class so many times over the years and it never gets boring, guys. So I can't wait to share it with you. I think you're gonna love the tune because I know so many people do. It's going to work the same as always. I'm going to break this routine down into small sections. We will then go with the music in small sections and then we'll go at the very end with the music throughout. Now remember, you get to press pause and do this routine as many times over to ensure that you get it. You get to just do it as much as you want. That is the beauty of these online tutorials. I'm going to use a few phrases like tempo, which means we're going to go to the speed of the music, and we'll also go slow and gently to ensure that you can get the routine. Again, I've modified this a little bit from how I would do it in class, just to make sure that we can do it in the comfort of our own front rooms. So are you ready to hear what track we're going to be dancing to? If you've seen the title, then you will already know it is the famous Formation by the wonderful Beyonce. So clear yourself some space and let's get started. Okay, so we're going to start with our feet together in a bevel. If you've never heard what a bevel is before, have a little listen. A bevel is something that Beyonce does in a lot of her choreography and also that I do a lot in class. You want to take your weight all the way over into one leg. That's going to be our right leg right now, and you're going to let that left leg swipe over from the knee. So we create this lovely shape with the legs. There's no weight on that left leg, that front leg. You're just kind of balancing on the big toe. You're going to start with your hands on your hips and your head is down. The head is going to lift up, 1, 2. You're just going to lift that chin up for 2 counts. Ready? 5, 6, we lift it up. 1, 2. From here, your hands are going to lift up all the way into the air. 3, 4, and then you're going to start to melt down as you bend onto that right leg. 5, 6, 7, and you're going to drop everything down. 8. From here, you're going to ripple your head up first. 1, 2, 3, 4. The body comes up 4 counts. You're going to cross the hands over the body. So you want to take that right hand above, left hand below, and we swipe as if we're giving ourselves a hug. And then we're going to step that front foot out, the one that's got no weight on it. Step, step. So we create this wide position, and as you do that, you want to throw the arms on that 8. So that much again. 5, 6, 7. The head lifts up. 1, 2. We throw the arms. 3, 4. Now, if you've been to my classes in the flesh, you will know that it is super important to me that you touch and appreciate your bodies. So your arms are just going to fall all the way down your body as you melt. 5, 6, 7. And when you get to that place where there's nowhere else to go, you drop everything. 8. From here, you ripple up. 1, 2. Again, touching yourself as you swipe up. 3, 4. And then cross the body. 5, 6. We slam the feet out. 7, as we slam that second leg, the arms throw down. 8. Beautiful. From here, we're going to go into our ghetto bounce. So you've got to find your swag here, people. We're going to bounce forwards and backwards. We bounce it forwards. 1, 2, 3. The arms throw on the 4. We go again. 5, 6, 7. The arm throws on the 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. This time we're just going to step the feet out. 5, 6, and we're going to lasso around our head. 7, and take it all the way down to that knee. 8. So once we've stepped out and we go left, right, we're going to take that lasso round with that left arm, and you're going to use a little bit of your body here at the same time. Roll. The body rolls with it. So really feel that throw, that lasso to enable your rib cage to move. We step out. 5, 6, we lasso. 7, and then we're going to bend and drop everything down. 8 to that knee. Option here to add a head roll if you would like. The head roll is going to go exactly the same way that your arm is throwing. So you want to let the chin drop down and you want to take that ear over to the right shoulder. So it would go 7, 8. Big, quick head roll. From the very, very top slowly, and then we're going to go tempo so we can just chat out all of those things that we need to think about. So you're in your bevel, that left leg is crossed over, there's no weight on it, and your head is down. We lift up. 1, 2, the arms come up. 3, 4, we melt, we touch our body as we come all the way down. 5, 6, 7, we drop. 8. head first, ripple. 1, 2, 3, 4. We cross and squeeze that body. 5, 6. We slam those feet out. 7, the arms come down. 8. Remember, we're leaning back. Now we're going to go into our bounces. You want to make these bounces really heavy, really throw the weight forwards and backwards so we can find that swag. 6, 7, we throw. 1, 2, 3. Arms 4, 5, 6. Arms 8. 1, 2, 3. Arms 4. Step 5, 6. The arms placed down. Now we throw those arms. 7. We take it down. 8, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. Let's bounce. 5, 6. Throw 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step, step. 7, 8. All right, guys. Music for that first section. Let's do it. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm so possessive, so I love 5, 6. Let's go. My daddy Alabama, mama Louisiana. You mix that Negro with that Creole, like the Texas Bama. Excellent work, guys. Let's move on to the second part. We have just finished 7, 8. We're going to pull that right elbow back, and as we pull that elbow back, we're going to go down. So it's like the elbow is attached to our knee. We pull it back and we bend further down towards the floor. 1, 6, 7, and 1. Now as we do that, we're then going to release and go into a lovely little bouncy step. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's all the feet are doing. And again, it's that real heavy feeling so that we find that swagger. So you're here on the 8. Pull that right elbow back. As it pulls you down to the ground. 1, because then you're going to rebound off of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you just want to let your arms and your body throw. Let everything go. Make it really, really big because it's really enjoyable when you do. One more time and then we'll carry on. 6, 7. Pull it back. We go 1, throw 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As we do our 7, 8, this time we're going to pat our heads twice. 7, 8. Or our pretend afro is what we're going to pat. Tap, tap. So just put the hands in the air and let the hands tap. So you've gone 7 and down. Throw, throw. 6 pat, 7, 8. This time you're going to repeat the feet, but you're going to take the body down. Down, down, down. You bring the feet together. Just that much again. You finished. 7, 8. The feet are exactly the same. We're going to go on that right side. Throw the hands behind you to bend down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bring the feet together. And then you're going to do 2 quick hip rolls. 7, 8. And my hips are going to go to the right side. 7, 8. We're going to pivot round. So that right foot is going to stay glued to the floor and you're going to pivot on the left leg. Let me show you. We're going to pivot to end up facing the other side, a full turn. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're going to pivot round for a whole count of 8s. As we do that, we're going to loosen up the body and the butt. So we just finished 7, 8. We're going to go down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So just layering this on. It's a little bit like a squat. Stick the booty out and come up. Stick the booty out and come up. Now we're going to add the hip roll. I want you to bring the hands to the waist. They just stay here. If it feels more comfortable, you can place them on the inner thigh. I'll show you both rounds. 6, we've just rolled. 7, 8. We step, we roll and we drop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And as you get into that, you're going to find this little double bounce. So let me show you from the front. I'm going down, 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 down. Little double bounce. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let everything go. Practice this, and then you'll find that move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We finish this off, we pull the shoulder back, that right shoulder comes back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Little hold to catch your breath. Then you're gonna step that left leg round. 5, 6, 7, and 8. We pull down to come up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, pat, 7, 8. Go down, step, step, roll, roll, bounce it round. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and head. How we doing? Let's try that much with the music. Just section 2, and remember at the end we'll link it all together. Here we go. Well done, guys. Take a deep breath, have a little water, and let's move on to our next section, shall we? So, we have just finished 7 and 8. Feet are nice and wide. We're going to start leaning over to that right side and we bring it over to the left. So we drop down. 1, 2, 3. Open up. 5 to the other side. 7 and 8. Beautiful. From here, you're going to take this leg that's lifted and you're going to scoop it up, boom, to take you to the side. Now you're going to do a fantastic big juicy butt pop. We pop. Ha, ha. So you want to bring the hands to a fist position. Keep the elbows lifted, open the chest and the butt goes back, pop, pop. So from the side, we've just gone step, place, pop, pop. Now you're gonna do 2 big juicy hip rolls. 5, 6, 7, 8. Get the hands onto those inner thighs to give you that nice firm grip. Stick the booty out. Balance is nice and evenly distributed over both legs. So that much again. We finished here. 6, 7, and 8. Those arms come straight down. We lean to that right side. 1 as the legs come in. 2, 3. We lift it up. 4. Other way. 5, 6, 7. Lift up. Scoop in that leg. We scoop. 1. We drop it. 2. We pop. 3, 4. We bring it down to the knees to roll. 5, 6, 7, 8. Lovely, guys. From here, we're going to step back on that left leg. Opposite arm. We step left, we go pop, we go pop, we go pop, and pop. So if I show you from here, you want to step back, step, drop it, step up, drop it, it rebounds, drop, it rebounds, drop, it rebounds, drop. We do 4 of those. From here, we're going to step that left leg out. We've just finished. Step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to step that left leg out and do 2 hip rolls forwards. So we want to make this snaky kind of figure of 8 position. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to do these quick hips now. They pop. 5, 6, 7, and 8. And really quick at the end. You've got 2 slow. 5, 6, 7, and 8. And you want to just let that pelvis drop down. Drop, 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 drop. Really heavy, really isolated in those hips. Here we go then, section 3 with the music. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2. Hop, roll, step, turn, 1, 2, quick. Fantastic work, let's finish this off. Last little piece. And then we will link it all the way through from the very, very top with the music. So that last section, that right shoulder is going to lead you. You're going to dive down to that opposite leg. We lead. That hand is nice and loose. Just tuck it into that pocket. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you want to have that little bounce that we've had all along. One more time. 6, shoulder leads. Dive, pull it up, dive, pull it up, other way. Dive, pull it up, dive, pull it up, other way. Now from here, to finish it off, this is all yours. Let's have a little bit of fun. So your hip rhythm goes boom, ha, ha, boom, ha, ha, boom, ha, ha, boom. We take it 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a 4. We take it 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a 4, and a 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a 4. does not matter. It is yours to play with, enjoy it, let the arms go and have some fun. That last little bit with music and then we're going to go from the very, very top. Here goes. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, now. 1. Let's go. Cause I slay. Guys, well done. Let's go. Music.
Naughty mess. Paparazzi catch my fly and my cocky fresh. I'm so reckless when I rock my Givenchy dress. I'm so possessive, so I rock his rock necklaces. My daddy Alabama, mama Louisiana. You mix that Negro with that Creole, make a Texas Bama. My legs, but I see it. I want it, I scream it. I work hard, I run till I want it. I twirl on my get up, casino, be real moving on. I go hard. Yeah, what's mine? I'm a star, cause I slay.
Enjoy it, guys. Remember, this is for you to do as many times as you need, over and over again, with the main objective to have fun and feel fabulous, because you are fabulous. So let me know how you get on. Leave me a comment below this video. Give me a like. Subscribe to the channel because there will be a new routine next week. And if you're brave enough, film yourself and tag me on my socials so I can see and give you the praise you deserve. Keeley_Dan over on Instagram or Keeley Official on my Facebook page. Once again, give yourselves a massive round of applause, pat on the back, and I will see you very soon.